Hi, you guys. My name is Skylar. Honestly, I'm considering bringing back Lexapro.
Swaggy. I don't want to be me. I don't want to worry about other people, relationships. So independent.
Regardless, I will be successful, no matter what. Regardless of what I've been through, I am resilient.
Just hit our 100th episode. I'm gonna do it.
I feel like everyone's fucking with me and they're trying to move past it, but
Wait, she sounds so weird in the mic.
Oh my god, this is the funny part.
the people here I
Establish routine. That is hard.
to be completely transparent.
Brain heaviness is self-imposed.
Break those ties with the relationship and
Confidence is gonna what others think.
This life, we will be able to achieve our thing we wish. I don't look for happiness.